Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One. In this video, we want to talk about this mystery seed here. Now, years ago, I harvested these seeds from whatever vegetable and I didn't properly label. So here I am in 2025, like, what is this? So, so now I'm going to actually plant 6 seeds to see what it is and to also see if it will grow because I had it for years. Now, if you know what this is, please feel free to comment down below. Now, here are the 6 seeds that I'm going to plant here. And then, to get my organization going with my seeds, I am going to put it in my homemade seed envelope that I made here. So, this is the seed envelope that I made. Okay. And these are some other ones that I'm going to put in a baseball slot. Okay. And here is the back of it. And once I know exactly what these seeds are, I'm going to properly label it and have its own little storage system going on. So yeah. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, give thumbs up, and have a great day.